Most people still believe that making six figures requires a college degree, but that's becoming less true every year. Across America, skilled trades are facing major labor shortages while experienced workers continue retiring. That means companies are paying more, offering better benefits, and competing for qualified workers. In some trades, reaching six figures isn't unusual anymore. In fact, many skilled workers are earning more than college graduates while avoiding massive student loan debt. So today, we're breaking down the top trades that can realistically earn over $100,000 per year, how they work, and what it takes to get there. Let's get started. First up is electrician. Electricians install, maintain, troubleshoot, and repair electrical systems in homes, businesses, factories, hospitals, and industrial facilities. What makes this trade so valuable is that nearly everything runs on electricity. Homes need wiring, businesses need power. Factories need automation. Data centers need electrical infrastructure. Experienced electricians often earn between $70,000 and $100,000 annually. Industrial electricians, union electricians, and specialized electrical contractors frequently exceed six figures. Many electricians also start their own companies later in their careers, which can increase earnings significantly. If you enjoy problem-solving, technical work, and steady demand, electrician remains one of the strongest trades available. Next is lineman. Linemen build and maintain the power grid that delivers electricity across cities and communities. This is one of the highest-paying trades in America. The work can be physically demanding and often involves heights, outdoor conditions, and emergency response situations. However, the compensation reflects those challenges. Many experienced linemen earn well into six figures. Storm restoration work and overtime can push incomes even higher. For individuals who enjoy working outdoors and don't mind physical labor, this trade offers tremendous earning potential. Now let's talk about elevator technicians. Most people never think about elevators until they stop working. But elevator systems are highly complex and require skilled professionals to install, inspect, repair, and maintain them. This trade combines electrical systems, mechanical systems, safety regulations, and troubleshooting. Because the field is highly specialized, qualified technicians are often paid extremely well. Many experienced elevator technicians earn six-figure incomes. In larger metropolitan areas, earnings can be even higher. This is one of the best trades most people have never seriously considered. Another excellent option is industrial maintenance technician. Modern factories rely on robotics, automation systems, conveyors, production equipment, and sophisticated machinery. When those systems fail, companies lose money. Industrial maintenance professionals keep operations running smoothly. They troubleshoot equipment, repair machinery, and prevent breakdowns. Workers who specialize in automation, controls, and advanced manufacturing systems can often earn six figures. As automation continues expanding, demand for these skills continues growing. Let's move to HVAC. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems are essential in nearly every building. Homes, offices, hospitals, schools, and businesses all depend on climate control. When those systems fail, people want them fixed immediately. That creates consistent demand for HVAC technicians. Experienced HVAC professionals often earn strong incomes through residential work, commercial systems, industrial facilities, and service contracts. Business ownership is also common in this trade. Many successful HVAC company owners earn significantly more than six figures. For people who enjoy troubleshooting and customer interaction, HVAC offers strong long-term opportunities. Next is commercial plumbing. Plumbing is far more than fixing sinks and toilets. Commercial plumbers work on hospitals, schools, factories, office buildings, and large infrastructure projects. These systems are complex and critical. Without functioning plumbing systems, buildings simply cannot operate. Experienced commercial plumbers often earn six-figure incomes through union work, large-scale projects, overtime, and specialization. Many also go on to start successful plumbing businesses. Like electricians, plumbers benefit from providing an essential service that society always needs. Now let's talk about welding. Not every welding job pays six figures. However, specialized welding absolutely can. Pipeline welders, underwater welders, industrial welders, structural welders, and power plant welders often command very high salaries. These positions require skill, precision, and experience. But for workers willing to develop specialized expertise, welding can become an extremely lucrative career. The key is moving beyond entry-level work and into higher-demand industries. One of the most overlooked trades is instrumentation and controls technician. These professionals work with sensors, automation systems, monitoring equipment, and industrial control systems. Factories, refineries, power plants, and manufacturing facilities all depend on these technologies. Because the work combines electronics, troubleshooting, automation, and technology, Qualified technicians are highly valued. Many earn six figures while working in stable industrial environments. This trade is an excellent option for people who enjoy both technology and hands-on work. Another high-paying trade is aviation maintenance technician. Every commercial aircraft requires regular inspections, maintenance, repairs, and safety checks. Aviation mechanics help ensure aircraft remain safe and operational. The training standards are strict and the responsibilities are significant. As a result, experienced aviation technicians often earn strong salaries. Many specialized positions can exceed six figures, especially with overtime and advanced certifications. For people fascinated by aviation, this can be both financially rewarding and personally satisfying. Now let's discuss something that often separates high earners from average earners in the trades: business ownership. Many of the highest paid tradespeople eventually become business owners. Electrical contractors, HVAC companies, plumbing businesses, industrial service firms. These businesses can generate substantial income once established. The trades don't just offer jobs, they often provide pathways to entrepreneurship. And that's one reason many skilled workers build significant wealth over time. Now here's the truth. Not every person in these trades earns $100,000. Income depends on location, experience, specialization, certifications, work ethic, and career decisions. But the opportunity is absolutely there. The biggest mistake people make is assuming trades are somehow lesser careers than traditional college paths. The reality is that many skilled trades offer excellent incomes, strong job security, low educational debt, and clear advancement opportunities. And in today's economy, those advantages are becoming increasingly valuable. If you're looking for a realistic path to a six-figure income, skilled trades deserve serious consideration. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more breakdowns on trade careers, healthcare careers, AI-powered jobs, certifications, salaries, and realistic ways to improve your income without wasting years on the wrong path. And comment below, which trade would you choose if you were starting your career today?